Hello, good evening to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, we'll unbox this Sony WH-520 with 50 hours playtime DSEE Upscale Multipoint Connection dual pairing Bluetooth on the ear. These headphones, see here, the first impression when I look at this Sony WH-CH520 earphones means headphones is they are looking pretty premium, and this cushion also is ultimately premium, and this is of free size. You can just extend, and without extending only I just placed onto my ears as a headband, and these are perfectly a good fit. And in the online also it is showing 3500 rupees with 4.3 rating, and many users have purchased this Sony WH-CH520 headphones, Bluetooth headphones. And you can see this is of C-type charging port. At the end of the video I'll be plugging in the C-type cable here and show you the charging. And this is the charging indicator. There is a light here, right? The charging indicator is there, and there are controls here. One is power button, and forward and backward, and this acts as the volume increase and the volume decrease. So in order to turn on this, I'll be just giving a long press on this. See here, as this light is blinking, it is, see here, immediately on my laptop, as my laptop Bluetooth is turned on, it is saying like connect. What I'll do is I'll be just clicking on the connect here, so you can say this is laptop compatible also. This is laptop compatible, and later I'll try to connect with this mobile also. The device is connected. Sony WH-CH520 is connected. You're ready to go. So what I'll do is I'll be just putting on these ear headphones, and there is right indication here, R here, and there is left here. So I'll be playing a song here on the YouTube, maybe any music video, and I'll be testing initially, and I'll express, and we'll do a detailed review video on this okay later. I'm just okay, I played this. Yeah, now I'll be trying to connect to this mobile. First of all, initially I'll just open the Bluetooth and turn on the Bluetooth, and I'll be searching for the available devices. Maybe I need to just press this once again to make this headphones in the pairing mode, and let us check. Yeah, immediately you can see, where is this? Yeah, too many devices here. Maybe I'll refresh this again, refresh this, and I'll be pressing this once again. I'll be keep on pressing this so that it will be in the pairing mode. Okay, yes, see here. So long press gave the name of the Sony WH-CH520 headphones. I'll be clicking on the connect. Okay, immediately it tries to connect here, and setup device it is saying. So I'll be clicking on setup. And one more thing, on the Play Store app, I just downloaded this app, Sony Connect app. That's the reason it is saying like set up your device. If you don't have that app, you can just download and install that, and you can simply try to set up this device, because when you have this particular app, you will have more control on this headphones. Okay, so you can choose your respective country in the available list. Okay, So right now I'll be choosing that, and once you read their terms and conditions, if you're okay for that, you can just click on the start here, and if you read this all, if you agree, and you can click on agreeing their agreement. Yeah, settings, I'll be clicking on the settings. Yeah, so it is trying to connect now. The name is fine. It is asking me to sign in, but I choose for later. Yeah, see here, this plus and minus symbol, right? And this one, this minus and plus, if you click on once like this, one single press, it is volume increase and increase. If you continuously pressing, it is saying like it will skip the starting of the previous track, means forward and backward, that sort of. And the middle button, it is for play and pause a track. This middle button, this power no, play and pause a music, and receive the call or finish a call. If you are already in the call, if you click on this, this will disconnect the call. And if you press this 2 times, this launch a voice assistant, means Google Gemini or Google Assistant, such functions. If you double tap on this, double press on this, okay, I'll be clicking on done. Yeah, equalizer, the main advantage of this app is you can customize the equalizer and adjust these settings, because within this app, within this headphones, you won't have that option. With the app only you can control. So equalizer by default it is off, and there are various options available. You can just choose one, and you can just play with this what is this options. You can try and do this option, and just for a moment I'll keep this around, and I'll try to play a video here, a audio file, and I'll check the audio quality and how it is, because I checked with the laptop, and now I'll check with the mobile playing song. Yeah, I just played a song using this phone. Compared to the laptop, while playing with the phone, the audio is really good, and I'll be posting a review video if I receive enough comments, at least like if I receive like 500 comments, I'll be just pausing with the middle button. See here, I'll be just placing the, and I'll be pressing on this. Yeah, so this is very good, and it is looking not that lightweight, but okay, lightweight only. I just used this for like half an hour. I didn't feel heavy on my head, but in the review video I'll tell you the details. But right now, to my initial experience, this is looking pretty good. At this price range, this Sony buds are decently good, but I'll post a full review video, and this comes like saying that 50-hour playtime. I need to check it practically, and this has DSEE Upscale, digitally upscaling the audio track. Even the audio track is MP3 compressed file. This has digitally, means software wise, digital enhancement of this sound, so the audio is really good.